The other CSS property I wanted to go over, just because both the background and this one, they both are linked to something. That's why I'm using showing you these ones this time. Are the list style types. So you have ones for unordered lists. There's actually more than what you see here, and you actually have ones also for ordered lists, right? So if you recall, unordered list basically means bulleted lists, and ordered list means numerical or alphanumerical, that sort of thing. Okay, and so more or less you can change the way that they can be shown. Okay, so again, here you can see the code, and to the left here you can see the result. Right. So if by default it's usually 1, 2, 3 when you see list, but you could do upper Roman. You could do decimal leading 0, lower alpha, upper alpha, so on and so forth. There's a bunch of different ones. Okay. And you can try them out. Whatever makes sense for whatever you're making a list for ordered lists. For the unordered list, there's disk is actually the default one. That's what you usually see, I think. There's obviously circle, square, and I believe there's some other ones now as well. I didn't think I included them, but so there are other ones, and that will allow you to basically just change the look of them. You can also do list style image, and you can actually use images for your points instead. So for here, you can see I used a cone. I just have the simple cone image, and I have that as my bullets instead. Okay. You can also choose whether it's the position of it. So a better example is basically if you look here, see there's a bullet and then the text all lines up. But if you look at here, where the bullet point is where the text lines up if it continues onto a new line. So it keeps them all in line. So that's the difference of doing inside and outside. So if you have a preference of one versus the other, you can apply that. Generally speaking, I would say that the default outside I think looks a little bit better, but that's up to you. Okay, so that's lists.